Hello everyone, welcome to our performance review for the first week of December. This is our performance review. Here we can see that we have made a profit of around 6.6% returns, wherein while the Nifty has given 1.8% on weekly basis, half yearly basis, if we see, we have made a profit of around 60.7%, wherein the Nifty has given around 10%. Weekly profits we have made around 18,696, and cumulatively, we see that we have made a profit of around 1,16,549. In cash segment, we can see that we have made a profit of around 1,079 on weekly basis, and cumulatively, we have made around 4,762. Last week, we have taken number of trades, 24 trades, and out of that, we have made 21 were our winning trades, which stands at around 87.5%. And overall, we have made an excess return of around 6.5%. So that's it in the performance review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to Ordinary channel. Have a good day.